Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Lily. I really wanted to show you something really special today. So thank you for tuning into my videos. And you're most welcome to come back again on my next videos. But this one I must share with you. This I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So what is really important about this video is when you join, please invest some money into it. That's so important because this video I'm going to show you what I'm receiving when I deposited 300 US. So I'm going to take you to that page where it all started. Okay, I'll take you to that page. Now this is the beginning. So when I first joined, this was the first one I invested in. Okay, you can see here this is $10 only for a period of 10 days, a return of $1. The second one here is the one I joined also. And of course it's $30 for 30 days, $1.35. That's that one. Now this is my third one. This is a third one that I joined with Litecoin, which is LTC for short. So this is the mining one here, right here, as you can see there, return daily of 1650. And this is exactly what's happening. This is also carrying over. So I kind of joined maybe 15 days after I joined this. So I'm actually receiving this as well as this. This is already finished, that one. But I do encourage you, this is what I encourage you to do, is not just to join because it really doesn't give you that much, but to invest a bit more, because the more you invest, the more you will receive. So come on guys, I'm going to take you now that this system here really does work. It does allow you to withdraw. So I'm going to take you to withdraw and go through with you how this works. Okay, here we are on this page. This is my account balance of what I have earned within the 2 days. So firstly, before I do the withdrawal, I want to take you to the earning history. Okay, so let's go to earning history. Now this here is how much I'm actually collecting. You see the date? This is how much I'm collecting after I have joined. So look here, I'm also getting commission with referral commission with everybody that has joined. But I really must encourage you to invest. It is so important to invest. Now look here at all the amount that I have earned, that they have given me. This is what I'm showing you, right? So and then I'm going to just take you across here. See if this is the total of this period or else. No, it doesn't. But anyway, all those figures there that I have just showed you, that's what they've given me, and it is absolutely awesome. Just checking into your account, and this is how much I've been receiving every 2 days. I mean, I think roughly around about $20 a day with what I have invested. And we're talking about US dollars here. So we're going to take you now, I'm going to take you to the withdrawal funds, right? We'll go back to withdraw funds. Now this is how easy it is. So up here is saying your balance. My balance is $44.19. But what is available for me to take out is here, $41. That's what, I mean, it's available to take out. So you don't take that amount out. This is the amount you look at. Okay, so we're going to withdraw, and I'll take you back to the withdrawal funds. Here we go. Oh, that was where we were in withdrawal funds. Okay, let's go to where was that one? See? Okay, bear with me, guys. We're gonna just take you back to, now this is where it all started, of course, here, right? And also I have many referrals on this page here. Now all I'm trying to do on this video right now is to get all my referrals, which is about 11, I have 11 referrals, to actually invest into this amazing system. It actually really does work, and I'm really happy to share this with you guys. So come on board, and oh, here we go, withdraw funds. down how much I'm going to withdraw. 40, I'll just put a round figure, $40. Here I have $40. That's US dollars actually. And confirm. This is how easy this process is. Right? You just put some money in and you just open it up every day and just see how much the miners are working for you. Mining cryptos. But this is how wonderful it is. This now will be going into, there it is, it's gone. As you can see, it's gone from there. And that has gone into the Binance account. You see, that's gone into Binance. So before you actually join any of these mining systems, mining for cryptos, firstly, you need to open up a bank, a Binance, which is a cryptocurrency bank. Open one up. It's really important, okay? So first you open a Binance, and that's cryptocurrency bank. Open that up, and then you join this one of the mining, well, this one here is Litecoin, so you join the mining, auto mining system here. That there's two links, right? There's going to be a Binance link for you to join, and also Litecoin, mining for Litecoins, okay? So that's two things you need to do. That's all you need to do, and invest into it. Don't just join, but invest. As I showed you before, how to join and how to start off. Start off small. Just start off with the $10, 10 days, and see how it goes, and then go up to the $30. And you'll be getting $1.35 per day, and then go up to $300. This is all US, okay? And that you've joined, subscribed to my page, and joined onto my links. This is wonderful news, guys. I just wish you'd hop on board and join me on this journey. Thank you again for coming onto my videos, and we'll see you again on my next